Minister inaugurated Gram Uday se Bharat Uday Abhiyan on Thursday. The 11-day program for Ambedkar Jayantis to Panchayati Raj Day is being organized by the central government in collaboration with states and panchayats. It is a village self-governance campaign and aims at generating increased social harmony across villages by strengthening Panchayati Raj, rural development and farmers' progress.
With the aim of uplifting the lower strata of the society through enhanced rural development, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Gram Uday se Bharat Uday program from Mau in Madhya Pradesh on Thursday. The 11-day program appropriately starts with Dr. Ambedkar's 125th birth anniversary and concludes on April 24th, the Panchayati Raj Day. The Prime Minister said that transformation of villages and rural livelihoods would be a true homage to Baba Saheb.
भारत का विकास अगर हमें सच्चे अर्थ में करना है और लंबे समय तक सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट करना है तो गांव की नींव को मजबूत करना होगा, तब जाकर के उस पर विकास की इमारत हम परमानेंट बना सकते हैं। और मैं हर गांव से कहूंगा कि आप भी इस पवित्रता के साथ अपने गांव का भविष्य बदलने का संकल्प कीजिए। बाबा साहब के 125वीं जयंती की अच्छी श्रद्धांजलि वही होगी कि हम हमारे गांव में कोई बदलाव लाए।
Presenting his government's vision of rural development, Prime Minister Modi said India's economic blueprint for development of villages will have stronger foundations and farmers' incomes are set to double with commitments made in the budget. The Prime Minister said government is steering development towards the villages.
जितने भी विकास के स्रोत हैं, सारे विकास के स्रोत को गांव की ओर मोड़ना है। हमने देश के किसानों के सामने एक संकल्प रखा है, गांव के अर्थकारण को बदलना है। 2022 में किसान की इनकम डबल करना।
The Prime Minister further said that Baba Saheb faced a lot of discrimination, but the credit for Modi being Prime Minister of India, despite being son of a mother who worked in people's homes, goes to Baba Saheb.
मैं बड़े गर्व के साथ कहता हूं, एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसकी मां बचपन में अड़ोस पड़ोस के घरों में बर्तन साफ करती हो, पानी भरती हो, उस बेटा आज प्रधानमंत्री बन पाया। उसकी क्रेडिट अगर किसी को जाती है तो बाबा साहब आंबेडकर को जाती है, इस संविधान को जाती है।
Prime Minister gave away awards to several students on the occasion and encouraged them to take forward Baba Saheb's vision. The Gram Uday se Bharat Uday program will create awareness about centre's commitment to rural development. In the first phase of the program, from 14th April to 16th April, a social harmony program will be conducted in all Gram Panchayats. In phase 2, from 17th April to 20th April, village farmer assemblies will be organized in Gram Panchayats. From 21st to 24th April, Gram Sabha meetings will be held across the country, and on 24th April, Panchayati Raj Day, Prime Minister will address Gram Sabhas through a video link. Dr. Ambedkar believed that rural development would emerge from development of the lower strata of the society. On his 125th birth anniversary, government too has taken on the mantle of achieving the same dream. Government hopes that the campaign will get people better informed of the government policies. With Rajesh Raj in Mau, DD News.